Hi, and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I try and find out if it is possible to recreate a clear image of myself from a pixelated image. I'll make use of different artificial intelligence tools and display the results for you to judge. In order to try and maintain a level of precision, I pixelated a clear picture I had taken a while back, which is what I will use to compare with the results of the anti-pixelation algorithms. In order to pixelate my image, I used a tool called LunaPic. The website is used to reduce image size, which has an effect of reducing the quality of the image. The user can select the quality of the final image, which I set at 5, in order to produce a very low quality image. The final image is the one displayed on your screen. Even though ChatGPT is not an image clarification tool, I used it just to see the results. First, I asked ChatGPT if it's possible to get a clear image from a pixelated image. Not surprising, the algorithm produced an accurate response informing me on the possibilities as well as the drawbacks and shortcomings. I have displayed the entire conversation on your screen so that you can try your own experiments with your own images and possibly leave a comment of the results. As you can see from the resulting images, the AI was able to generate some images. However, these images display a different individual from the original image. On the screen, I have displayed the original clear image side to side with the image generated by ChatGPT for comparison. The next tool I used was GFP Gun. This is a partial face restoration algorithm implemented on Hugging Face. In my opinion, the algorithm provided the best result of the few tools that I tested. On your screens, I have displayed the images produced by the algorithm side to side with the original image for your analysis. Another tool I tried is let'senhance.io. The results were not as good as GFP Gun, but is definitely worth a look. As always, thank you for watching the video and make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you on the next one.